Namaste people, I am Anmol Sarkar. So if you have seen my introduction video, you guys must have an idea about who I am and what I am trying to do and what this channel is all about. And if you have not seen that video, for Facebook I'll share the link in the comment section and for YouTube in the description below. So please go and watch that video and don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel so that I can come up with more such videos for you guys. Okay. So without wasting any further time, let's get straight down to today's topic as usual. So if you have seen my last video, I was telling about how this Devi Nagayam was trying to propagate Caldwell's theory, and they were trying to appropriating Christianity to the Indian local traditions and the spiritual dance. In today's video, we shall go into one such example, which is famously known by the name of Bharatnatyam. Bharatnatyam, for those who don't know, is a famous dance prevalent in the southern part of India. So, and most of you all will know what Bharatnatyam is, so I don't need to go into details of how Bharatnatyam is, what was the origin of and all that. So if I start talking about that, then it will take hours just to describe it. So what this Christian missionary did is they started subtle Christian appropriation of Hindu dance. That is, for example, if you have seen Bharatnatyam, you will see many hand gestures and many postures which are devoted towards Lord Shiva. But what this Christian missionary did is that they changed those hand gestures and postures to signify Jesus Christ or signify the Christian Trinity and all. So this subtle distortions or subtle what we say creations in this dance form led to the Christianization of dance form, so that they can say that Bharatnatyam is also an appropriation of Christianity, okay, or degraded form of Christianity. So in the recent years, missionaries are again targeting Bharatnatyam, but this time as a takeover candidate for digestion into Christianity. The reversal strategy is in response to growing enthusiasm for Bharatnatyam, including among many Western feminists who see an Indian dance as a validation of female sexuality. Westerners took up this dance initially to show respect for Hindu practices and then symbols, and studied under Hindu gurus who naively welcomed these Christian disciples. So first they started studying this Bharatnatyam, and with full devotion they studied it under Hindu gurus, and after them they started to distort this dance and add their new postures. Okay, however, it ran into conflicts between Hindu art and Christian aesthetics when Father Francis Barbosa, a prominent Roman Catholic priest and a dancer of Hindu art forms, confesses that the main difficulty he faced in the area of technique concerned what is Indian classical dance unique feature, namely the hand gestures. As I said, he quotes that this Father Francis Barbosa, I could use all of them in the original form except for the Deva Hasta, that is the hand gestures, because the nature and the significance of the Bible personalities are totally different and unique. Hence, when I want to depict Christ and Christian Trinity and the Holy Spirit, okay, I drew blank. I realized that I had to invent new Devahasta, the new hand gestures, to suit the divine personality concepts of Christian religion. This was a challenge to my creative and intellectual and theological background. Armed with my knowledge of Christian theology and in-depth studies of ancient dance treatises, I then introduced a number of Devahastas to suit personalities of Bible. These innovations succeeded in making my presentation both genuinely Indian and Christian content and form. Okay, so this is one of the what we say major influences of Bharatnatyam. He has quoted this. Now what happened is, this Kala Kalaveri has also other branches which was formed by our Hindu gurus. In the UK branch with Lord Navneet Dholakia as its patron, administrators performances and educational workshops in UK with the dancers of movement instructors from Kalaveri College in South India. So this is now they are opening many branches and franchises abroad to project this corrupted form of Bharatnatyam, which is not the original form of Bharatnatyam. Okay. Now, Father Saju George, a Jesuit priest from Kerala, is a Kala Kaveri celebrity. This guy, Father Saju George, quotes that having danced before Pope John Paul II in New Delhi, he has thus raised Bharatnatyam to the realm of Christian prayer and worship. Here is a rare opportunity to experience a new flowering of ancient wine. In the concerts, imageries of Radha Krishna share a platform with the crucifixion and resurrection of Jesus Christ. Okay. So this is how they were trying to appropriate Christianity to the Indian spiritual dance as well. So this was it for today, guys. Please enjoy this video, and in next video we shall see another part, which is the Leela Samson scandal and how it affected the Bharatnatyam part in the South India and all. So till then, enjoy this video and have a nice day.